Looking to build a secure future in the United States, EB-3 immigrant visa program offers a legal and reliable pathway to a green card for individuals seeking permanent residency through employment. Whether you're a skilled worker, a professional, or someone with no prior experience, the EB-3 program could be your doorway to the American dream. Unlike temporary work visas, the EB-3 leads to a lifetime right to live, work, and study in the United States. It's the structured, legal, and government-supported process that includes job matching, labor certification, and final approval of green card by U.S. immigration authorities. Who is eligible? EB-3 is ideal for individuals who don't have the capital for investment-based programs, are not fluent in English, want a clear and proven pathway to immigrate with their family, and seek a legal long-term residency solution which leads to citizenship based on employment. Benefits of the EB-3 visa. The EB-3 program provides a host of meaningful advantages that set it apart in the global migration landscape. Successful applicants are granted green cards, unlocking long-term benefits in one of the world's leading economies. Key benefits include right to stay in the U.S. indefinitely with option to apply for citizenship after 5 years. You can live and work anywhere in the U.S. after the initial job requirement. Spouse and unmarried children under 18 included. They can study and work in the U.S. with full legal rights. Unlike investor visas, EB-3 requires no financial investment or business ownership. Eligible for Social Security and Medicare after sufficient work history. After 5 years of lawful residency, you can apply for U.S. citizenship for you and your family. The EB-3 visa isn't just a work opportunity. It's a life-changing immigration solution for individuals seeking long-term stability, better education for their children, and a fresh start in one of the world's most developed countries. Job opportunities. Through partnerships with certified U.S. employers, Level Immigration currently offers placement in high-demand sectors across states like Florida, Texas, and etc. Available job roles include hotel and hospitality staff, farm workers and agricultural support, factory laborers and production line workers, kitchen stewards and housekeeping personnel. All positions are full-time, long-term, and approved under U.S. Department of Labor regulations. Other jobs are available based on vacancy. Requirements and application process. The EB-3 application process is structured and transparent, typically completed within 2 to 3 years. Applicants must be at least 18 years old, able to speak basic English to perform their job in the U.S., pass health and background checks, and commit to working with their sponsoring employer for a minimum of 1 year. As a government-authorized company, Level Immigration offers expert guidance throughout the entire EB-3 process. From job matching and document preparation to visa interviews and post-arrival support, our multilingual team ensures a smooth, secure, and personalized experience backed by a proven record of successful outcomes. Open the door to new beginnings in the United States. Contact Level Immigration today and learn more about the EB-3 visa program and take your first step toward permanent residency, stability, and a brighter future for you and your family.